Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting unboxing and review for you. It's the Range Rover remote control car. The remote-controlled Range Rover car features 1/16 scale radio control that enables forward, reverse, left, and right turns for a thrilling experience. And the car is made from quality material. Let's now delve into the unboxing and take a closer look at what this incredible machine has to offer. But let's first talk a little bit about the packaging. The remote control Range Rover car comes in a sturdy and visually appealing box. Opening it reveals a well-organized interior, ensuring all the components are safely secured. I am really excited to see how this Range Rover remote control car works. Guys, do you know this remote control Range Rover car comes with a rechargeable battery? A rechargeable battery is cost-effective for long-term use, saving you quite a lot of money. This 0.5-meter USB charging cable is also included in the box of this remote control car. Let's now start removing the plastic screws from the box, so that we can have a better look at the remote control. The remote control is designed for comfortable handling and precise control. And it features responsive buttons and a sleek design. This remote control requires two 1.5 volts batteries, size AA, which are not included in the box. After showcasing the remote control, let's now remove the remaining screws from the box, so that we can have a better look at the star of the show: the remote-controlled Range Rover car itself. Wow, this remote control Range Rover car looks amazing. This remote control Range Rover car is a stunning miniature replica of a real Range Rover, complete with some intricate details and a sleek design. This remote control car is a fantastic addition to Range Rover enthusiasts and RC car collectors. You can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch at the bottom of this remote control car. You will need to install the included 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. The car itself is equipped with a rechargeable battery, while the remote control requires separate batteries of size AA. Alright, it's time to hit the road and experience the power of this remote control Range Rover car. I've taken this car outside to a spacious area where we can truly witness its performance. Wow, this remote control Range Rover car is a true performer. It glides across various flat surfaces, handling turns and obstacles with ease. Its powerful motor and sturdy construction ensure a thrilling and responsive ride. This remote control Range Rover car is a must-have for Range Rover enthusiasts and RC car lovers alike. Its stunning design, precise control, and attention to detail create an immersive driving experience.